The American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, has disregarded CDC guidance for the first time in 30 years. The AAP recommends COVID-19 universal vaccinations for healthy children from 6 months of age, contrary to the CDC's change to shared decision with the doctor. The CDC change prevents schools from barring children whose parents opted out, the vast majority. The AAP claims the children are high risk, which is not supportable. Why would the AAP endorse overriding the doctor with school consequences? A British Medical Journal article investigation of another AAP-endorsed drug may have the answer: follow the money. CDC data reveal that only 13% of children aged 6 months to 17 years have been vaccinated against COVID-19. The AAP policy would adversely affect more than 80% of children who risk being barred from school if the parents resist this coercive policy. A 5-year CDC data analysis shows no significant COVID-19 death rate for individuals under 18 years. The majority of deaths occur in older age groups, particularly those over 75. Healthy children are not high risk, and the claim is not evidence-based. Research by Laura Schmidt and colleagues identifies systemic financial conflicts of interest in medical guidelines. The AAP's undisclosed financial ties with GLP-1, obesity, drug makers serve as a cautionary tale for users of AAP medical guidelines. A table from the British Medical Journal details payments from GLP-1 drug makers to the AAP. These undisclosed financial ties raise questions about the integrity of the AAP's guidelines. Corporate sponsorships from GLP-1 makers to the AAP total approximately $2 million. Personal payments were made to 22% of leaders and 10 out of 27 committee members. The Open Payments database reveals undisclosed payments to AAP leaders and committee members. These payments included food, travel, honorariums, and consulting. Corporate sponsorship from GLP-1 developers to the AAP has steadily increased over the years, with a notable gap in 2019 data. This trend highlights the growing financial influence of pharmaceutical companies on medical organizations. The AAP handled conflicts internally and departed from the World Health Organization's arm's-length standards. Despite claims of independent review, undisclosed payments existed. Key takeaways: advise caution for AAP guidelines due to systemic pharma influence. This risks undermining public trust. There's a need for independent, non-industry funded trials and transparency in guideline processes to ensure accountability